In our journey to identify great IDO projects, today we have landed on a project we believe could give investors returns in excess of 10x. So stay tuned to this video and find out more details about the project and on which platforms is the IDO going to be held.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Buzz Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you'd like to discuss about these IDOs or anything about cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram, join our family. The link for that is given in the descriptions below as well as in the pinned comments. Also, if you want to participate in these IDOs as private investors, then you can reach out to us. We have a premium subscription group for that, and if you are interested, you could be a part of that group as well. So without further delay, let's jump on to the project. The project that we are going to cover today is called the Sidus NFT Heroes. Now, what is Sidus NFT Heroes? Sidus NFT Heroes is an NFT project that is currently trading on the OpenSea marketplace. If you go to OpenSea and you just search for Sidus NFT Heroes, we will be able to see that there are about 5,000 items available and it has a floor price of 0.48 Ethereum and it already has a volume of 412 Ethereums, right? So if you just scroll below, you will be able to see the different characters or the different avatars that are available on the OpenSea network. And the price range is starting from about 0.23 Ethereums, as we can see right here. So now, what is NFT Heroes and why are we so excited about it? Okay, so Sidus NFT Heroes, as I mentioned, is an NFT project which is available. Now, why are we so excited? The reason for this is that they are launching a play to earn RPG game and there is a big hype around the Sidus NFT Heroes project. So if we just scroll back, this is the website that they have and it's pretty engaging and tells us about the different activities that would be available. They'll have a marketplace, academy, farming, and we'll come to this one by one. Now let's understand what is the objective of this game. Sidus NFT Heroes would be the first AAA level RPG game focused on cryptocurrency philosophy to be set to release. Now the project allows players to join troops and communicate with one another in order to complete difficult missions. The NFT game global market is selling a catalog of 6,000 conceptual characters portrayed by NFT stars and the global collaborative of younger artists of NFT 256 on the OpenSea marketplace. Now, what are the unique points of the NFT Heroes project? First of all is the battle arena. So within the battle arena, a gamer can keep challenging numerous different gamers to shootouts or strengthen, trying to fight masked ranks and attempt to make it to the top. Apart from that, there is advancement and persona development. So in the free time among both tasks and battles with other clan members, the characters work on developing their identities that will afterward be included with the battlefield against a strong foe. Then the players can actually become contractors. So heroes with an inventive leanings can collaborate as contractors and farmers, transforming their own edge of the multiverse into a groove in the mindset of the chaos. Each solar system and center has three kinds of land: basic, challenged, and residential. Basic land cannot be procured and yet no one owns it. The challenged land is awarded as a game trophy and remains the player's property until the next journey. And the residential land can be fixed priced, sold to a gamer, sold at auction by the scheme, or bought on the marketplace. Apart from this, there could be a political participation. So this is a complete metaverse, right? So if you are a player in the game, you can actually not only participate in the war, you can also participate in the political happenings of the city as well. So leaders of the players can take part in the political career of the Sidus city. They can run for office, representing their interests and campaigning for their causes. The game features a complex political scheme with groups, gatherings, and members of the council. Elections are indeed held in a truthful and accountable manner, all of which impact the game's advancement and the adaptation of important decisions inside the structure of emerging multiverse. Now, apart from this, there is a trade option wherein players can start trading the in-game objects at the intergalaxy market square. So marketplace, as you can see, is yet to come live. If I go here, it shows me that it is coming up very soon, but we believe from reading the white paper that these are the few of the characteristics that they have. Now let's take a quick look on the tokenomics of it. So there are two tokens that are there on the Sidus NFT Heroes project. Number one is the Sidus token and the number two is the Senate token. Senate is the governance token, which Sidus is a gaming token. Sidus is an ERC 721 token which allows the users to influence the Sidus NFT Heroes universe's life. And if I have to talk about the important numbers, then the total supply of the Sidus token is approximately 30 billion, 1.5% of which will be available for the public sale, 2% for the public pre-sale or the private sale. That is generally where we participate. Partners will have 3%, liquidity will have 5% allocation, the seed round will have 7%, and importantly, the ecosystem will have 50% of the tokens reserved for itself. Now, if I have to talk about the Senate token is not yet launched as well, and the total supply of the Senate token is about 300 million, out of which again 1.5% is available for public sale, 2% is for public pre-sale, and for the team there is 21% of the tokens, and the ecosystem has about 35% of the tokens. If I have to talk about the prices for the Senate and the Sidus token, then at the seed round, the prices of the Senate token is at 0.1 USD. However, for Sidus, it is 0.001. Now, it is important to understand the TGE and the vesting period, right? So 5% of it will be unlocked at the TGE for the seed investors. Now there will be a 3 months lock and 5% tokens will be distributed from the 5th month onwards for the next 19 months. For the private investors, the Senate is priced at 0.12 USD, whereas the Sidus is priced at 0.0012. 5% of the tokens will be unlocked at the TGE, that is a token generation event. Then again, there is a 3 months lock and 5% from the 5th month will be unlocked every month till the 19th month. For the pre-public round, the Senate is priced at 0.16, the Sidus is at 0.0016 USD. 5% again will be unlocked at the TGE, then there will be 3 months lock-in period, and again, like the private price and the seed price, the pre-public round investors will also get the tokens for the upcoming 19 months at 5% per month. Now the IDO price, this is important, right? This is for the public round. The IDO is priced at 0.18 for the Senate. For the Sidus, it is 0.0018. There will be a 10% unlocking happening at the token generation event. Then 10% will be vested over the next 10 months. So there is no lockout period for the public investors. Now, what I want to highlight here in why we run the private investors group is simple, right? As we can see right here, the private price is at 0.12 USD and the public price is at 0.18 USD. So there is a straight 50% profit on top of the public rounds which we can make, right? But we strongly believe that this project would do multiple X's. Mind you, this is not a financial advice. This is my personal opinion. If you want to join our private investors group, you can reach out to me on my Telegram. My Telegram is given in the pinned comments down below. Now after that, let's take a quick look on the roadmap of the Sidus NFT Heroes. So on January 10th of 2022, the closed beta version of the Sidus Heroes will be set to release. The team plans to publish a public beta form of the game on January 23, 2022. Owners of the NFTs from the Genesis and the Academy compilations will be likely to participate in the Sidus Heroes during this time. The Academy catalog will be available for purchase in the mid of December 2021. The public IDO is set to take place during the first 2 weeks of December, followed by the token generation event in the middle of the month. In addition, the IDO launchpad will also be officially confirmed, right? But we have some information about the IDO launchpads. According to us, the few of the IDO launchpads that are interested in this project includes TrustPad. So TrustPad is the future-oriented upcoming interstellar gaming metaverse. The IDO will be launched on TrustPad in December 2021. Then there is BlockPad from Blocktopia, right? So Blocktopia is a virtual reality skyscraper with 21 stories to memorialize the 21 millionth Bitcoin. They launched a launchpad earlier by the name of BlockPad, and Sidus will have its IDO on the BlockPad in December of 2022 as well. However, the confirmed dates for the IDO has come out for one particular launchpad, which is the SpaceSwap Starter launchpad, right? So the SpaceSwap Starter launchpad will have the IDO on the 15th of December, and the price for the IDO remains to be the same, which is 0.18 USD for the Senate and 0.0018 for the Sidus. Now let's try to understand the use cases for the Sidus and the Senate tokens. Now players can invest their NFT and receive a reward in the NFT. Sidus has 3 stages of staking: classic, exceptional, and iconic. By holding their NFT, the subscribers can pasture the NFT as token. Senate is the governance token of the metaverse and will be used for various parcels of land or configurable parts, voting authority to make decisions on numerous changes from the community itself. Now, whether you should be looking to invest in this IGO or not. Now, we personally believe this IGO has got a lot of potential. If you go to their website, I will link the website in the descriptions below, you will not find a lot of details because most of them are yet to be released publicly, but from our sources, we have the information that this is going to be a huge project with some big investors coming in. Mind you, this is not yet confirmed and these are just speculations, but we strongly believe that this is something that has got great potential to grow, right? Whether you should be investing or not is completely your call. Whether I am investing, probably I will be. So do let me know by commenting below if you are interested in participating in this IGO of the Sidus NFT Heroes. Just comment NFT and I'll understand that you are participating in it. So if you like the content, please smash up the like button and hit the subscribe button. Also share this video with your friends and family. Give them the opportunity to learn and earn from crypto, and specifically from these new projects which are coming up, because these give you good opportunity to make money quickly. Mind you, there are downside risks as well. So whatever you invest very, very wisely. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very, very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.